Alright guys, so it's Friday morning, show's tomorrow morning. Alright, so last night I rounded up everybody in my house, brought all the kids out here, mixed up some boiled linseed oil with some mineral spirits, gave them all rags, just said start coating it. So everybody helped wipe down the truck. This morning I've come out with a dry rag and kind of buffed it even. It still needs a cure. I'm hoping it dries before tomorrow morning, but 80 miles an hour down the road hopefully will help dry it. So anyway, this morning went to pull it out, clutch pivot assembly, so I fixed that already. Got the truck turned around. Now what I have to do this morning is I've got to fix where the drive shaft is hitting on the cross member. Okay, when I lower the truck down it doesn't hit, but when people step on the bed, sit on the bed, which everybody does, it tings into the drive shaft to the cross member, and it's actually dimpled my drive shaft. So what I'm gonna do is get this thing up, cut the cross member just a hair more, make a little reinforcement, call it good. That's the main issue I'm gonna work on this morning.
Oh yeah, I know.
Alright, so look, where the drive shaft comes through up here is where it's rubbing, okay? So there's a lip and some more metal, so I'm gonna cut it with the plasma right now, and then we'll reinforce it. So that's the plan, is I'm just gonna cut the top lip off and then reinforce it with another piece of metal, all right? Alright, so what I did was reinforce the sides because just cutting the lip didn't work. So I've reinforced the sides. Now we'll cut out the center and put another hoop up higher, okay? So for doing that, it's a piece of pipe. I picked this thing up probably 4 years ago. I was taking a load to the dump and I was dumping stuff and I looked over and I saw this giant piece of pipe and I'm like, I might need it someday. Well, today's that day. So I'm gonna work on getting some measurements on this and plasming out a piece and welding it in there. All right, so drive shaft clears. We got an extra inch up there when the truck bottoms. Now, the issue is now I'm looking at where it's bottoming. It's bottoming by the tires hitting the frame for the wood bed. So we're gonna take the tires off, trim that a little, see if that helps. And I have a deal with wheel spacers on here. I'd like to get rid of them, so we're gonna look at that. All right. All right, guys, well, at this point, the truck's pretty much ready to go. I've fixed all the clearance issues on the drive shaft and the wheels. I even took those small kink that was in the bed out, got that all fixed up. Clutch is working fine now. Truck looks great. So we're off to the show. All right, well, do me a favor. If you like this video and you want to see some more, subscribe. And if you want to see some other projects I worked on, whether it's on the 64, the 37, or just some of the crazy things I've built, you can click over here and that'll take you to some of my other videos. All right, guys, you have a great night. Thanks for watching.